Let's look at the first of these 5 feasibility tests, and we'll start with technical feasibility. And in this video I want to talk about what a technical feasibility test is, and then we'll look at why you conduct one, the purpose of doing one, and how you'd go about doing a technical feasibility test. Obviously in the real world it would be more complex with more layers than we're going to cover here, but the technical feasibility test is still something that you are going to have to conduct. First question is the proposed technology that you're going to use for your solution practical? Do you possess the necessary technology? What about the expertise? Do you have the expertise to make this solution? And if not, how will you get hold of the expertise? And what about the technology? Is it mature enough to be applied to the problem? In other words, has it been around for long enough, the technology? So to dig in a little bit more on those areas, we know that some organizations like to use state-of-the-art technology, cutting-edge technology, but that brings with it its own set of problems. State-of-the-art technology is very appealing because everyone wants to be an early adopter, but being an early adopter brings with it technical problems for which there may not be an easy solution, and you may have to wait for that solution. So that's why most technology companies prefer to use mature and proven technology, because you know how to solve problems, you know what you're going to get, you know that it already works, because a mature technology has got a larger customer base, lots of customers, lots of people who've been using it, and therefore there's help out there, there's advice out there if things go wrong for you. And there are also improvements out there. There are regular patches for it that have already been made. So the next part of the question that we asked earlier is about the expertise. Do you have the expertise in-house? If the technology is available, have you got the capacity to actually handle it? And if it's not available, that expertise, that capacity, how can it be acquired? We've covered a couple of areas in technical feasibility, but you need to apply these questions that I've just mentioned to your solution, and you need to answer these questions. After you've done that, come up with a recommendation that you think that this should be the technical solution of the variety of solutions, or the 2 solutions that you put on offer. This is the one that you would recommend, and you need to say why you would make that recommendation. It's not just a question of going, I'll have that one. You need to explain why it is that you're going to have that one.